Everybody is very committed to the mission of the hospital and being there for our patients.
It's a very tight-knit organization and it's very friendly. I think they try to work very hard to make sure everyone is successful.
My partners and I were the first surgeons in Ohio to use radioactive seed localization for breast cancer surgery, and administration's been very open to bringing in things that allow us to keep pushing the envelope and staying ahead.
There's a great camaraderie here between all of the physicians.
There's a general respect for one another, and in very large cities, unfortunately, you don't have that connectiveness. So there's a connectiveness here.
We have from neurosurgery to endocrine to psychiatry. We have everything we need in our hospital, yet we're not a big conglomerate hospital. So it makes for a nice community feel, but it gives us enough resources to take care of the patients.
It's a lakefront community, essentially. Population booms in the summer, and you do feel like you're on vacation.
My family really loves Cedar Point, so we go to Cedar Point all the time.
And we've got everything from indoor water parks during the winter, lots of adult recreation, but there's also lots of family-friendly stuff to do as far as skiing and boating and fishing.
We actually don't even take vacation in the summer because there are so many things to do here. We love to take day trips or weekend trips to the islands.
If you have a boat, you can jump on your boat 5 minutes from work here. If you like to get out in the woods or go hunting or outdoor sports, it's right there. You can be out in the country in 5 minutes. You're in a city here, but you're surrounded by a lot of different outdoor and natural opportunities too.
Another thing that we really appreciate here is the schooling. I was just completely floored when I found out that Sandusky, which is a district of distinction, has a dedicated gifted school. And there are only 4 such schools in the entire state of Ohio.
And just the fact that Sandusky's growing and it's trying to improve its waterfront and it's trying to bring new business into the community. And I think that's really showing as the place builds and you go to community events. So all of those things make this community hospital what it is.
In fact, everybody that I know that's family that comes out, they say it doesn't feel like Ohio. It feels like something different, something special.
It's this kind of jewel of Ohio that most people just don't realize. And it's a great place to live.
Everyone knows each other. Everyone feels comfortable talking to one another. One doctor can call another doctor, whether in the same specialty or different specialty.
I've worked in several large, very renowned healthcare systems in the country, and I've never seen this level of care and integration that we have at university hospitals anywhere else.
If you go to the grocery store, you run into your patients. And when you care about what you do and you do a good job, those are good encounters.
Almost everybody that started with our group retired with our group. So I've got people that have been in our group for 25 and 30 years. Almost all of us started here and we stayed here and never left.
And I came for the interview and the people just made me feel so welcome that I couldn't imagine not working here. So we moved here in 2005 and I've been here ever since.
I truly treat everybody the way I would treat my parents, my family, and that has always been my guiding light. I'm proud of my approach to every patient. I'm committed to that. It just begins and ends with the patient every day, day in, day out.